Hi all, how are we doing? What are we on? We're on Sunday evening, and today we're going to be fitting some universal roof bars to a 2014 Volkswagen Passat Mark 7 Golf. There's a Passat, my old car. I miss it. It's better than my Golf. Golf's economical, and that's about it. But I do like the Bluetooth connection to the radio. So yeah, we've got these roof bars. Brand new from Internet. Haven't opened them yet. Have no idea what's inside them. But yeah, that's what they are. So always remove the roof bars if you intend to drive through a car wash. There we go. That's what we need to do. If we're going to go through a car wash, we need to remove the roof bars. So let's have a look in the box and see what we get. Lots of sticky tape. Lots of sticky tape. Allen key works well for these. So the idea behind buying these is for quick and easy fitment. And so it is not necessary for me to use a trailer every time I want to move stuff. Admittedly, there's certain things that it will be limited to, but on the whole, so I don't have to keep running a trailer around and taking up valuable space at my house, I decided to go for these. And the second reason is I don't have a tow bar on this yet, so I think that box is empty, so that's what we get in the packet. 2 roof bars, some instruction-y things, and yeah, that's about it. Right, so first things first, need to get them out of the bag. What I'm going to do is open the door and slide them in there for now. Oh dear, that didn't sound good. But it is up key. Oh, we get an Allen key. That's good news. Got some end caps in there. And yeah, I guess it's just a case of slide these off. Ow, that hurt. They slide along. So the idea is, yeah, that weren't meant to slide right out. Never mind. So yeah, they kind of just like clip onto there, like that. And bye bye cable tie. I could make a song about that. Well, maybe not make a song about it, but it rhymes. And that's close enough for me. Right, so first things first is to get the keys. As you can see, I'm fully aware of what the instructions do not say. But yeah, essentially it's going to be, guessing, unlock that, get the Talon key in, I'm guessing. So yeah, as we can see, that is now coming in. So what we'll do, we'll just take up all the slack. I'm guessing once it's pulled up, it kind of like kicks on a cam or something to lock into that. Hoping it does. Oop. So it's getting a little bit nearer. I just need to measure the distance then between the two. So what I'm going to do is unlock the other side. Like so. So I was hoping that it was going to be probably a bit of a quicker practice to put these on and off potentially. It might be, I don't know. There's going to be faster ways of doing it. It'd be easier because what I will do is get that in the correct position. I could then use the impact gun on it as well, going forwards. But once I've got it set up where I want it, then what I'll do, I will mark the bars so that I can put them back in the same position every time without having to play around with a tape measure, reading the distances. So that needs to, I'm guessing, like kind of come up a little bit because that's digging in the wrong place. So yep, with that there, that should be good. Hopefully you can see what's happening on the camera. So that's now come in, that's kind of stiffened that up a little bit, which is good. So in here, in my box of tricks. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Haha. Oh. Sorry, all you can see was a white roof. Apologies, people. But I do have my tape measure, so what I'm going to do is measure from a fixed point of air to the end, which is, good as damn it, 10 1/4. Same with that one. Oh my god, that's 10 1/4 as well. Do you want 10 1/4? 10 1/8. Oh my gosh. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Well, for the sake of a 1/16 of an inch, I think we are pretty good. Do that just like sweet. And for all those people out there that think I've got bad eyesight and can't measure and everything else, I don't actually know how tight I'm meant to be doing them, but I'm guessing, you know, as long as it doesn't fall off, we'll be good. And you can't go mega tight because they're on rubber and it's just going to spring, etc. And now, Lisa has got it back in the hole. And yeah, that's pretty solid, it's not bad. Lock it with a key, tighten the other side up. As you do, as you do, as you do. Yeah, not really keen on putting his key thing in the whole time, but hey ho, hey ho, hey ho, 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 ho. So lift that up, take this. Oh look, the rubber's got a bit of a hump in it. It's Sunday, not hump day. But yeah, I mean, yeah, might be interesting one day to see what's inside the internals, but the car's rocking, that should be pretty good. Do same with the back. Like that. Hopefully the rails are the same distance, but you know, we don't know, do we yet? So oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Yeah, reality is it's only like don't take long to do, does it really? I mean, one thing that you probably got to be super careful of when you're putting big loads on is the boot doesn't hit it. I'm guessing like it could get very expensive very quickly if the boot hit it, so I'm going to take a stab in the dark and say there. What's that? 950-ish. Is this 950? No, it's 970. Who knew? 975. Oh no, so that must be about 10 inches. Ooh, look at that. Right, can't really measure that till it's all tightened up properly, you know. Whoops. Whoops a daisy. Is it going? My name is Lisa. I don't do metric. Metric is horrid. 13 and 7/16. 10 and 7/16. So that is 1.5 inches. It's got to come out. So it's got to come out to just under 12. Why did I put a black arrow in my way? Mm-hmm. 11 and 15/16. Oh, look at that. It's like a 30-second out, if that. That's good. That's nice. That's nice. Oh my god, look at that, man. That's like wibbly wobbly. And I think it is going to rain very soon, which is not good for me at all. I mean, I'm impressed, pleased that you get. I mean, look at the length of that. That's like a good 7 odd inches, isn't it? What are we talking there? 7 and not quite 3/4, but you know, 6.5, 11/16, just over 6 and 11/16. That's not bad. Can't find a hole though. There we go. So yeah, look at the profile of it. It's they're not heavy duty, are they? They're really not heavy duty, but you know, for what I actually want to do, finding a hole would be a good advantage. Like so. They put nice and snug. So tape measure can go back in here. I'll put the Allen key in my lace for now.